Hello, this is Eli G. Brown / Eli G. Brony here with another custom Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway, trains or cars. These are the red coaches. Now, these are the red coaches that appear in the TV series. They are the other coaches that do not have any faces on them. The other coaches, besides Annie and Clarabelle. And, well, these coaches are commonly pulled by, Henry has pulled them, James has pulled them, Percy has also pulled them, and all the engines have, pulled them. Okay, so, what I used was, this one right here is actually, Clarabelle, and the other one right here was from a paint, set, the Thomas and Friends paint set, so it looks a lot better in detail than the other one. And now for the heck of it, I'm gonna get an engine to couple these coaches to. Just give me a moment, and there we go. Here's James pulling the red coaches. So that is pretty good to have these coaches here. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.